Hi, my name is Lindsay Dionne. I'm a nurse educator at the Penticton Regional Hospital in the emergency department. I'm standing outside the emergency department. The entrance has not changed, but inside there's a lot of new things going on. Follow me. I'm here inside the emergency department where we have opened the brand new emergency patient check-in and patient registration area. So if you have to come to the emergency, there is a new process to follow. Once you arrive inside the emergency department, instead of going to registration as you would have in the past, you will now be seen by a nurse who will assess what level of care is needed. You can see that this is a private room with a door that closes to enhance privacy. There is lots of room for a family member to attend with you. From here, the nurse will be able to guide you to the next step. This is the new patient registration area where employees will take your information, and over here we have a new waiting area. Once you have completed the registration process, you will be asked to take a seat and a medical professional will come get you for your treatment. At this point, these are the areas that are open to the public currently. As the renovation moves forward within the next year, there will be additional spaces opening.